everybody, Nana Diane here. I want to share another recipe with you. Today we're going to be making bean burritos, and I'm going to show you how. Now, in one of my other videos, I showed you how to make the homemade refried beans. And that's what this is. So in it, this is a very simple recipe. And I've already taken my taco shell, okay? And I want to take this. I want to get a little bit of this beans, refried beans, and just spread it on there. Now, don't do it too thick because too much is not good. That's why when they make them at a restaurant, you don't get a whole lot because it's not good. Okay, so I got refried beans. Now you can, because I'm going to double this, you can spread it out really thin. Just like this. Now, if you start with a flour tortilla, and you get it crunchy, you can make it open face and have a tostado, which a lot of people like tostados. And that's just a taco, but only one, not taco on both sides, not shell on both sides. Okay, then I'm going to put a little bit of salsa, just ever so amount. Until it's well covered. See, just like that. Then, I'm going to get some sour cream. And sour cream sometimes has a little tendency to be thin where it's been open. And I usually work with that when I'm doing something like this. I take the more watery section of it, and I just pour it on it. I don't try to spread it because it's just impossible. Just like that. And then now everything is fully cooked, so there's not really anything you have to cook. The beans are already cooked. I take cheese, just like this. Just like that. And then, now I've really gotten this crunchy. I usually put this together before I brown it, but I didn't because of being on the recording. Okay. So then, I had to break this. That's not good. Put it in here. Let me do another one. Show you. It's hard for me to get my stove on in the picture. I don't know why it is, but it's hard for me here. So well, let's just start all over. I'm going to take refried beans, and a bit of sour cream. I usually just double it like that. A little bit of sour and a little bit of the salsa. I just spread it out a little bit. Then a little bit of cheese. Okay, Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it. Just like that. I'm going to put it over here in the pan and I'll show you what I have. Now while that is melting my cheese, let me go over the ingredients. I have refried beans, and I have done this on a previous video, so I'll show you how to make those homemade refried beans. I use shredded cheese. You can use sliced cheese if you want. I use this paste, chunky salsa. Any salsa will do. Or you can use taco sauce, whatever you want. I have had even used pizza sauce before. The sour cream. Now, I think this is the secret to a good burrito or anything like that. These are the best flour tortillas I've ever gotten a hold of. There's no grain in them. They're grain-free. They're gluten-free. There's no GMO. They're just wonderful. And they have the best texture. So anyway, I wanted to bear that in mind. Let me get the burrito out. Here's your burrito. Now you could pick it up with your hand. I wouldn't. I would use a fork on it. Let me show you. It is so good. Look at the inside of that. And if you want, you can put ground beef on it or anything else like that. It tastes so good. Best spring burrito I've had in a long time. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. And I hope you will continue to watch as I have a lot more recipes to share with you. I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll leave a comment. I hope you'll try this recipe. Share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. And have a blessed day. Bye-bye.